So in this video, you'll learn how to transfer files from your external hard disk to your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step is to open the Files app. And then from here, you want to look for your USB storage device, which is your external hard disk. So you can see mine is split into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So if your external hard disk is the same, then you can just select either part and you can access the files from there. However, if it's just a single part, so it has no additional compartments, then you can just select USB storage 1 to view all the files that are currently there. Once you've done that, you then want to scroll through the list of files available, and then to select one, just long press on it, and then you can choose to select even multiple files at the same time. Once you've selected multiple files, choose your transfer method, whether it's copying or moving it, and then once you've done that, you will then be brought to this menu. In this menu, you want to select internal storage, like that, and then from here, you want to choose the destination that these files are going to be placed in. So you have all of these folders available. If you don't like them, you can just tap on plus icon to create a whole new folder for it. So there you are, and then select create, and the folder will be created. So then just select it, and then tap on copy or move here, and wait for the transfer to complete itself. So once the process is complete, you can then navigate back to the main files menu. And then from here, you want to come to your internal storage and select it. And then look for the destination where you placed the files at. And you can see them listed right here, ready for you to now start accessing them on your Galaxy A56. And so that's how you can transfer files from your external hard disk to your phone. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.